I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Explorer tire full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engage the parking brake, and place wheel chocks to secure the vehicle. Gather your jack, lug wrench, spare tire, and gloves before loosening the lug nuts. Raise the vehicle with the jack to the recommended lift point, remove the lug nuts, swap the flat for the spare, tighten nuts by hand, lower the vehicle, torque the lug nuts. Before you begin, collect all necessary tools and wear protective gloves. You will need a jack rated for your Explorer, a lug wrench, and a properly inflated spare tire. Inspect the spare and jack positions and read any owner manual notes on lift points. Keep a flashlight and reflective triangle if roadside. Take your time, work methodically, and never place any part of your body under the vehicle while it is supported only by a jack. Loosen the lug nuts in a star pattern while the wheel remains on the ground. Position the jack at the manufacturer lift point and raise until the tire clears the ground. Fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Mount the spare, hand thread the lug nuts, lower the vehicle slightly to seat the tire, then tighten the nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's torque specification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.